Good morning, everyone. My name is Xu Tong. Today, we focus on the study of the impact of cross-border e-commerce on international trade. This research mainly covers 5 parts: introduction, literature review, research methodology, analysis, and conclusion. I will introduce them in detail for your next. In today's era, cross-border e-commerce has emerged as a new international trade model. It breaks through time-space constraints and global trade barriers. For small and medium-sized enterprises, these platforms provide affordable access to global consumers. Moreover, cross-border e-commerce integrates global resources, driving economic integration. So, studying its impact on international trades is crucial for understanding trades making policies. The objectives of this research are as follows. First, to analyze the impact of cross-border e-commerce on trade volume, cost efficiency, and market expansion, and to explore how it changes the status of international trade. Second, to identify the key factors driving the growth of cross-border e-commerce. Third, to assess the economic impact of cross-border e-commerce in international trade in different regions. Fourth, provide policy recommendations to help enhance the contribution of cross-border e-commerce to trade. Next, we look at the research question of our article. First, what is the impact of cross-border e-commerce on the cycle and structure of international trade? Second, what are the key barriers to the development of cross-border e-commerce? Third, how does the development of cross-border e-commerce and its impact on trade vary across regions? This question will help us to study the relationship between cross-border e-commerce and international trade in depth. The paper's research structure is as follows. It has 5 parts. The introduction elaborates on the research significance, problems, and objectives. The literature review summarizes the existing study. The methodology details data collection, analyze most and variables. The analysis section provides the descriptive statistic and regression results. The conclusion sums up the findings and offers recommendations. Next, the subsequent studies will be presented in depth.
My name is Li Xinyu. Now, let me show the second part. In Chapter 2, I divided our discovery into 5 parts. We talk about how new technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence or AI, and the Internet of Things will have changed global trade. For example, blockchain makes payment safer, and the platforms like Alibaba have used to reduce fraud. AI helps businesses predict what customers want, leading to more sales. Internet of Things allows real-time tracking of shipments, making delivery faster. We also explained how cross-border e-commerce supports small businesses globally, but there are challenges. Rich countries have better infrastructure, while poor regions face problems like slow internet and low digital skills. In Chapter 3, we divided into 4 parts: data collection, variables, analytical framework, and validation. We use reports from organizations like WTO and surveyed about 200 small businesses online to collect data. Analytical framework also has 2 parts: analysis and visualization. We use descriptive analysis, collaboration analysis, and regression models to analyze this research, and use this figure and table to show key findings. E-commerce adoption has a positive impact on trade volumes. Lower transaction costs improve trade efficiency, shown by a negative coefficient. Digital infrastructure plays a crucial role in expanding trade with a significant coefficient of 0.62. The graph demonstrates the steady growth of e-commerce penetration across regions from 2050 to 2023, with North America and Europe leading, while Africa lags behind due to the infrastructure challenges. My name is Wang Xinyi. First, let's look at the descriptive and correlation analysis. From 2015 to 2023, global cross-border e-commerce has become growing. The Asia-Pacific region leads the way. North America and Europe grow steadily but have relatively lower contributions. Africa and Latin America also show growth potential. Generally, e-commerce adoption is positively correlated with trade volume. Next, the regression results show that e-commerce adoption, transaction costs, and market accessibility are significant factors. This study explores the transformative impact of cross-border e-commerce on international trade, identifying critical drivers such as technology adoption, cost efficiency, and market expansion. Regional disparities highlight the need for tailored approaches to maximize benefit. Based on our findings, we have several policy recommendations. International regulations should be harmonized to simplify cross-border transactions and reduce administrative burdens. SMEs need financial and technical support to adopt e-commerce platforms, enabling them to actively engage in international trade. Additionally, enhancing digital infrastructure in emerging markets is essential to promote e-commerce adoption. Finally, regional cooperation can effectively address logistical and regulatory challenges. In conclusion, cross-border e-commerce has a significant impact on international trade. It promotes trade volume growth, helps SMEs enter the international market, and improves trade efficiency. However, there are regional differences, and developing economies need support. Thanks for listening.